Wagwan everybody, welcome back to another video from Dania's Delight JA. Today I am showing you how I make my version of pumpkin rice. As you can see here, I have some shredded pumpkin and I have some chopped pumpkin. It is nice to shred some of the pumpkin and chop some, so you'll have chunks to bite into and you'll have the shredded ones to cook out in the rice. The shredded pumpkin helps to add additional flavor because you know it is shredded and it will boil out a little more in the rice and give it that nice yellow color. I also have my rice here washed and clean. I have my gray cock soup here and I have onion and scallion and thyme and a few pimento seeds. I will be adding some coconut milk and I also have salt to taste. So here I have a pot with 2 cups of water that I bring to a boil, and I am now going to add my ingredients. I am adding my cock soup and my salt first. We can also add more salt if needed as we go along. Next I am adding my pumpkin. I am adding the chopped pumpkin and a piece of butter. Then I am adding the shredded pumpkin. Next I am adding my coconut milk and my fresh seasoning in the form of onion, scallion, pimento seed and thyme. I am now going to cover this and leave it to boil for about 5 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, the color of the water just before I put my rice in, it's very rich, very yellow. This is exactly what you want it to look like before you add your rice. Remember to wash your rice properly before adding it to the pot to help cut out some of the starch. So I'm now going to add my washed rice. Give that a stir. And add 1 pepper. And I'll leave that to cook over low flame while checking on it occasionally. Alright, so here it is. My rice is now ready. Nice and fluffy. And as you can see, bits and pieces of pumpkin all over it. This is how you want your pumpkin rice to look. Very nice, very bright, colorful, smells amazing. So this is my version of pumpkin rice. The full recipe for my pumpkin rice will be in the description below along with my Instagram link. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Like my video, leave a comment about my pumpkin rice and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.